warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ariff bin Abdul Rahman, the F200-163, and I'm from Group 3. We'll start presenting about our Engineering Economics Group project. So for the introduction of our group project, construction project have impact on our society, including economy, environment, and social fabric. So for the economy side, some of the most prominent techniques to achieving economical building include using less expensive materials, simplifying the design, and using prefabricated items. For the environment, extraction and processing of vast quantities of natural resources may be harmful to the environment. As for the social impact, construction may vary depending on the project and the neighborhood in which it is located. For example, construction of a new airport in rural area. For company organisation, Syahirah as our project manager. For the quantity surveyor, Muhammad Ariff bin Rahman is me, and for the structural designer is Muhammad Ikmal bin Abdul and Kamel, and for our architect is Adilya Ezzati.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adilya Ezzati. Today I'm going to explain about financial management. So this is the company profile. Okay, the company's name is Sunway Construction Group Berhad. Okay, this is the register number, and then the date of registration is 10 September 2014. Okay, this company is located in Selangor. Okay, firstly, the company of profile. Okay, the company's name is Sunway Construction Group Berhad. So this is the registration number. Okay, the date of registration is 10 September 2014. For information, this company is located at Selangor. So this is the balance sheet of the company. The balance sheet provide a brief snapshot of a company's financial situation by listing its asset, liabilities, and also shareholder equity at any given time. According to the table, we can see that the total liability and equity of the group decreased in 2021 and increased in 2022. So the difference between the 2 years is RM 371,833,000. Okay, for the total asset, we can see that it is decreased in 2021 and increased in 2022, which is RM 2236048,000 ringgit Malaysia. Moving on to cash flow. Okay, the cash flow statement keeps track of how many money comes in and goes out of the business over a specified period of time. As we can see from the table, okay, the total of operating cash flow is increased in 2021 and then it decreased in 2022. For the total investing cash flow, it is increased steadily in 2021 and also 2022. Okay, furthermore, the financial cash flow in 2021 is decreased and it increased in 2022. For the net cash, increase and decrease in cash equivalent in 2022 is RM 2488000, while for the group is RM 315,436,000 ringgit Malaysia. As we can see, the cash equivalent at the end of the financial year in 2021 is RM 3393000, while for the group is 407,686,000 ringgit Malaysia. The amount are increasing throughout the year. So these are also the table for the cash flow. Net income statement, which is known as profit and loss statement, shows the revenues, expenses, and net income of the business during a specific period of time. According to the table, we can conclude that the profit of net of tax has been increasing since 2020 until 2022. The difference between 3 years of the net tax is RM 650,120,000. The total of turnover has been increasing steadily throughout the year, and then the gross profit margin increased in 2021 and then it decreased in 2022. Okay, based on the data, the profit for the financial year has been increasing throughout the year in company and also the group. The total of comprehensive income for financial year is increased in 2022 for the company and also for the group. According to the data of balance sheet, the cash flow and income statement from the latest annual report for Sunway Construction Group Berhad, we can conclude that the company have enough money to proceed the project. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Abdul Kamel, metric DF200-128, and now I will continue the presentation about the project management. So for the benefit cost ratio method, our company have identified the benefit, investment, operation and maintenance, and also the market value to calculate the benefit cost ratio in terms of present worth and annual worth. The interest that our company have used is Bank Islam interest rate for construction loan, which is 10%, and the period of time is 5 years. So after our group have identified the benefit, investment, operation maintenance, and market value based on the interest rate 10% of Bank Islam and also the period time of 5 years, only then we can proceed to calculate the benefit cost ratio which is present worth and annual worth in terms of conventional and modification. So after we have made the calculation, we can identify that both of the conventional and modification of present worth and annual worth is more than 1.0, which means that this project can be proceeded. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Mahyuddin with metric number DF200107, and I will present the discussion part of the project. Due to the COVID-19 epidemic, the construction industry has faced a number of issues. The benefit-cost ratio in this instance encapsulates the overall value for the money of a project or proposal. Projects will be approved if BC, which is the benefit-cost ratio, is greater than 1, and refused, which is rejected, if BC ratio is less than 1. After calculating BC ratios for both conventional and modified present values, BC ratio for both conventional and modified annually values are accepted, given the calculated BC ratios are 1.04, 1.05, and 110, which are all more than 1. The multi-purpose development construction project has a significant expense associated with it due to its purpose at providing ease of doing business as well as to improving living quality in Iskandar, Malaysia. Most clients and consultants today choose to use eco-friendly construction methods in their projects. Utilizing a sustainable approach can reduce costs and save more money than those that do not. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm back here for the conclusion part for our group project. The COVID-19 epidemic, like many others, has had a considerable influence on the building industry. For example, construction firms were obliged to cut expenses and limit their budgets to deal with the global economy suffered as a result of the pandemic. As for this project, it already indicated in the calculation section, our project can be considered accepted and can be proceeded with because the present value, which is PW, and the annual worth AW both pass the minimum requirement. That's all from our group. Thank you.